for 34 years now, I've been with hawks and falcons, never been without one. Just part of my soul.
It's the ultimate in bird watching. It totally is. You get to see these birds do stuff that nobody else does.
Your first couple of birds, you're very afraid. You're very cautious, but eventually you have to let them go and trust that they're going to come back to you.
Have a wild animal actually hunt with you willingly when it can choose to take off on its own is magic, is a really good description. It's awesome. I get people from all over the country and sometimes out of the country. If all they're here for is an experience and they get connected to something and it sparks an interest in them, that's what it's all about. Conservation and falconers, huge, goes hand in hand. This guy was on the endangered species list from 1970 to 1999 due to the DDT we were spraying on our crops. So they put their heads together and they came up with a copulation hat. You're gonna come over, mount that hat, copulate, you grab the semen, artificially inseminate the female. Now you've got babies. So those are our first breeding projects. By 1999, we were able to take the peregrine falcon off the endangered species list. Huge success story right here, guys. One that I'm very proud to say that falconers had a huge part
In high school, I started bird watching instead of hunting. But eventually ran into a falconer and started talking and found out that that was a way of combining bird watching and my roots of hunting small game.
So how we would train a falcon to hunt with us, it's all food related, remember that? So when you first get your bird, you're gonna wanna hood it and let it be calm, and then you start offering it food. If it takes food from me, now you're starting to make that bond. Next thing you're doing, you're asking it to fly to food. And next thing you know, you're outside and you're asking it to fly even further. The bond that they have with me is they are looking to me to flush game.
There it goes, ho, ho, ho! You missed it. Whatever it was, you missed, huh? No. A big fat grasshopper leg.
She really wanted a bunny to be in there.
Oh, I wanted a bunny to be in there. But there aren't many bunnies anymore out away from homes. Rabbits are all in the subdivisions because it's just been 12, 15 years of drought and the population just goes down, 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 down. Even on the best of days, we only have a 10% chance of catching something. It's a lot harder than it looks. All falconers have to adjust to the habitat changing, the game population declining.
since day one. Most birds, when you get them out of the wild, they look at you like, holy smokes, this person's gonna kill me. I felt like there was a look like, holy smokes, somebody's here to help me. This bird was, eating from my fist the first time I asked her to, and hopping to the fist the next day, flying to the fist, and then she was hunting within 2 weeks, 5 days. Ta-da! We could get one going downhill, the ultimate. And she's got the advantage. Oh, what? Oh, right there. Get back, Riley. Woo! There we go. Right there, your last throes of life. Actually. Good job, girl. So here's to a life given so another can keep on living. I mean, this is a bird that I've had since 2007, and she's always been rock solid. But the last few years, she's kind of slowed down like an old dog. And for her to catch one, her first time out jackrabbit hunting of the season, and a long, hard chase, makes me want to keep her another year. It's a bond with the wild animal that nobody else gets to have. It's a feeling that's really special. It resonates with me.